can't really get over it. It's so beautiful. What a life! What a beautiful life! Hey, Modim. It is hot. Sebuswa is hot. Yes. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh, my voice. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time here, my name is Figile, and thank you so much for joining. If you are a returning Sabi, thank you so much for coming back and sticking by me, bestie. It is a Tuesday from a very hectic weekend. I'm still trying to recover. The weekend was massive. Homecoming. Homecoming, you owe me nothing, my dear. That event, okay. Anyways, I won't do a recap. I showed almost not everything, but yeah, on my previous vlog, you saw it was going down. So there's no recap. You'll see. I don't have to tell you guys what was going on, because you'll see for yourselves. It went down. Ubushabam this weekend finished. Ubushabam this weekend. I keep on looking at the screen and I have to. But anyway, I was saying Ubushabami this weekend. It's only the first week of October, and I am for October right. Birth month, birthday month, also correct her. Yeah. Anyways, for my birth month, sing right. I don't have to do anything. Sing right. This weekend was so. Oh my gosh! I even went out on a Sunday, but I didn't vlog that. Izolo nakona I was out. It was a Monday, but I was out, and it wasn't actually going down. It was a chilled Monday with chilled people, chilled, beautiful people. It was my weekend emphasizing Kui homecoming. Anyways, guys, I have a parcel. Thumbnail. Okay, no, it's still a bit plastic. It's not going to look proper. Let me find a spot to bear this tripod so that we can open it together. Right, yeah. I bought those famous. Where's the scissor? I don't need it. Let's open. Oh my gosh, this looks big though. They look so big. Someone said I should size up because the cut is small. Hey. So I took a size 6. I'm actually a size 5. I took a size 6. Okay, this is the shoe. I love this part. I love that you can actually adjust You know? I love this part so much. Let's remove this together. I am so happy. How cutesy. Let's see if it fits. Because if it doesn't, I'll die. Ngoba ngiyokuthi ngiyabuyela bathi sold out. Hey. Let's see. I'm wearing socks and I'm lazy too. It actually fits. I don't know if it's because I'm wearing socks. I can't really get over it. It's so beautiful. Give it and it really does fit. So if you are getting yourself a pair, you need to size up by one size. Does that make sense? if your shoe size is a size 5, you need to get a size 6, and if your shoe size is a size 6, you need to get a 7. Kanjalo 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 kanjalo. Happy girl, happy patches, happy girl. I'm so happy. Let me go start my day, my week actually. I need to start my week because today is actually like a Monday to me. I know it's a Tuesday, but to me it is like a Monday because a Monday was something else. My Monday was something else. So I am resetting kinda. I didn't go to the gym yesterday, but I'll go today. For sure. As in so matter, I have work. Yeah. Anyways, let's go make food. I'm gonna eat leftovers. Let's go make food and start our day. I got a few stuff. I got a few stuff from Uber Eats because I needed them, and it's a mini fridge restock. I can't stop using Uber Eats. They always do me dead, and I've said this in my previous vlogs, but I just can't stop using them because of the Tuesday special, the Uber Eats market. If you know, there's always a 50% off Uber Eats market on Tuesdays on like fresh fruits and vegetables. Sometimes even like things like bread, milk, sometimes. Yeah. So I'll show you guys what I got this time. First things first, to get my darling box of bananas. Lettuce, Lene, I think, yeah. And then stir fry. No, this is not what. Shame. I didn't know it was this one. Okay, but I got a stir fry. Pineapple. And fresh ginger and garlic. I didn't know. Anyanis. And potatoes. Yeah, that was everything, and it was. The total was actually 321, but I paid 100 and something. I paid 161. Do what you gotta do with this information. Let me eat, I'm hungry. I bought this grilled chicken yesterday and I didn't eat because why? I don't know. So let me warm this up, eat, clean up, and then get to work. This angle might be a bit off, but I quickly want to say this. So I just wanted to let it be known that I am so happy. I am so happy with my life. Oh my God. What a life. What a beautiful life. Hey, Modim. I am so happy with my life. I'm turning 25 soon, which is like next week. And I'm reflecting. I'm like, oh my gosh, I might not be having everything that I would wish to have right now. But I'm so happy. I am so, oh, I am so glad that I feel very fulfilled. I feel very grateful this morning. And I wanted to say, I don't even have the right words to express this. Mara, I'm glad I'm living this life the way it is. Good morning in the Monza. I say good morning to the world. I'm trying to lift up my mood because it's a bit down. Hi guys, welcome back to another day of the vlog. Today is a Thursday. Today it's a Thursday. Let's get ready. Let's start the day. Let's start. I have to go to I'm getting vlog because I am actually getting ready because I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm going home after a whole month.
Making love and last kitty was a rise last summer. Poolside vibes, then turn up. I'm with the goons and the girls in the black down Hummer. Put the windows down and hollered. Was it something you wore that caught me, baby? Present, style, and aura. Can I get your name, Miss a lady? Whatever you want, just name it. Girl, let's be honest. The things I would do. I fit to spend pounds on you. I fit to spend dollars on you.
Outfit of the day, quick check. My contours are fresh, fresh like sponge. I have this Nike tee and black leg. I love it when my quads are like I have black leggings and white Air Forces. I look crazy, but I'm running errands, so it's fine, especially with black socks. It's okay. It's fine. I'm running errands. I have my Apple Watch on and a Shein bracelet. Van Chief. Yeah. Anyway, my Uber's outside. Let me go. Ungadream. I need to kundil. Alright, ungadream. Hey guys, welcome back to another day of the vlog. It is a Saturday morning around 8 a.m. and it is hot. Sebuswa is hot. Yes. Yo, I wonder how short this thing is. Young cheese. So I don't know if I'll survive today with makeup on. I don't know. Also my eyes, I had my lashes. I got my lashes yesterday. And then it is going down. It goes down in the DM. It goes down here. It's bad. And I'm not gonna take them off. I'm taking my eye drops. So if I have to take them off, so I keep a ksasa, which is fine. Okay guys, I'm home. And yeah, you can hear that I'm home. You can already hear So guys, I am just checking in. I got home yesterday. I immediately now figure it was my client is here. Guys, let me love and leave you. I will catch up with you guys when I'm done with my client, or maybe when I do my makeup, when I get ready for the wedding. Let's work. Let's go get the coins. Bye.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just miss me with the drama, unless you got me with the commas. Oh, DJ turn the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up. From Jersey to Ibiza, they say it doesn't get sweeter. Feel my body banging like speaker. Ooh, sweating on my concealer. Skin tight, no millimeter. And my face can't make them feel weaker. But to know that my body is a healer. Ooh, I love to make it jump, 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 jump.
Oh, she's in my rosa. Ewa. Akchati mina mara naklaje. Wait, tara. Yung mami poke. Tara. That's what's up.
That's what.
This is so nice, my friend. Thank you so much. Ngaba yini mara? Ulipara. When baby uchama yo nina.
Like ngicabanga nabasana. Uchameka fake makeup
Akaphumi. Ancho mina ne lo kanjini. Setting spray.
Cha mina ngathi ngiliphara. Ngubona lo? I look like a para. Which is fine. Gizo transform.
Ngibeke so mngana mna.
Yeah. Mara uzokhohlwa obvious, but it's okay. No khumbulile ukuthi.
Hayi.
Wele.
Akuyibheli.
Welcome to the new vlog. Welcome to the new vlog.